What's up, everybody? This is Arvel, the theFitRealtor, the teacher's choice for Realtors, Henderson Real Estate Team, Caldwell and Taylor Realty, San Bernardino, California. I'm going to give you a quick video on how to become a real estate agent in California, California. First things first, you need to be 18 to be a real estate agent. Right out of high school, you get your real estate license. If I had it all to do over again, I would have got my real estate license at 18. These simple steps you take to get your real estate license. Number one, you got to take 3 real estate courses. You have to take real estate principles, you have to take real estate practice, and the third one that I took personally was real estate finance, but there's a long list of classes that you can take, and they have to be either 3 semester units or 4 quarter units. Number 2, you have to do a live scan. You have to get your fingerprints done for the Department of Real Estate, and you can go to any live scan office and you'll pay about $50 to get your fingerprints done. That way they can run your background check. Step number 3 is to go ahead and fill out the application, and I recommend that you fill out the salesperson examination and license application. You can do them separately, but it's better to do them at one time. Fill out that application. Once you fill out that application, you're going to mail that to the DRE, Department of Real Estate, and you're going to include the $305 fee and the transcripts from the real estate courses that you already took. Number 5, you're going to wait patiently for about 6 weeks. You'll be able to tell on the website. Sometime they'll let you know which applications they're looking at a certain time, which ones they're processing, but you're basically going to wait about 6 weeks. Number 6, so once you wait that 6 weeks and you get the word that you're qualified to take the examination, now you want to take what they call a crash course. This real estate test or examination is hard business, but if you take the crash course before you take your real estate examination, you will pass that test. I suggest you take the crash course. That's step number 6. Number 7, take that exam and pass it. Take that exam and pass it. Study, study, study. Take the exam and pass it. That's step number 7. Number 8, once you take that exam and pass it, you have to sign up with a broker. You cannot be a real estate licensee without a broker. Okay, so once you take that exam and pass it, you need to sign up with a broker. I would recommend figuring out who's going to be your broker before you even take the exam. All this information is on the internet, dre.ca.gov. So I hope you enjoyed this information. I know a lot of people have been hitting me up on how to become a real estate agent. I just broke it down to you. If you have any more questions, hit me in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be at you later. Peace.